Hello and welcome back to Feats of Strength. I've had a few questions about my RogueFab tubing bender, so this week we're going to get into assembling it and a little bit of troubleshooting. All right, I'm going to do a little unboxing here. I'll take you through the entire process of how I assembled it and the troubleshooting that I did. Some of the tidbits that we got here already, some basic instructions. Probably need to read those. Looks like some degree stickers and branding stickers. All right, cool. What else? A couple more stickers. And a handy little metric chart. All right, let's see what else we have in the box. Most of this is going to be all of the components that I'm going to assemble as we go. This is the part I'm excited about, some of the different dies that I chose to get. I picked a couple based on what I mostly work with for my cargo bikes and other projects. So pretty pumped to give these a whirl. And the big boy here, 1.5 inches. They make bigger, but this will work for me. And some other springs and tidbits. All right, let's get to assembling. This is actually my second test bend. You can see I've already changed out the hydraulic ram that I'm using for the assist. I actually thought that maybe I had a problem with the first one that I got. RogueFab recommends this one instead. They're both from Harbor Freight. This has got a pneumatic assist, a little bit nicer than the orange one that you saw previously. I was running into problems with the orange one, not getting past a particular point. Kind of felt like it was running dry. So I thought maybe it was just the ram. I went through all of their cycling and all of the recommended setup for that particular ram and still was having some problems. Even this one, I was having some difficulty. I think I finally sorted it out. So let me just sketch it up. It'll make a lot more sense if I draw it out. Basically, the hydraulic ram has an exterior reservoir. That's the casing that you see. There's some sort of pumping mechanism that is then going to cycle the hydraulic fluid into the center cylinder, which then moves outwards and forces the bender through. As it pumps, the fluid gets lower in the outer casing and moves into that inner cylinder. Now with the pneumatic assist, I assume it's pumping somewhere down here in the center, which means that it's fine, the fluid's okay. But because I'm manually pumping this from the top, the fluid's already a bit low at the standard angle, and it certainly gets a lot lower as it drains out of the outer casing. So my thought was, maybe I could just elevate the cylinder and see if the fluid kept pumping through like normal. So in this situation with it elevated, let's assume the outer casing hydraulic fluid's about here, and as it gets lower, it's down to here. That means my manual pump still has access to hydraulic fluid, and it works perfectly. Anyway, that's what I sorted out. So I did a test. Here you can see I've got the end of the bender elevated, which means that the ram is elevated, and we're all good. Anyway, on to assembling the base. Okay, got this all set up in the corner of my shop where it's going to live for now. I chose to get this particular bender because RogueFab is actually pretty close to me here in Oregon. The price point's really low. It's a simple mechanical bender and doesn't take up a whole lot of space in my shop. I've actually been using it for a while now. It works great. The bends on it are clean. I've worked on it a couple of projects. I'll have a few videos on that coming up. The elevated end on it seems to have solved the whole hydraulic ram problem. All of this pumping is obviously super tedious and takes a long time. You can be here forever. The obvious question that probably came up at the very beginning of the video for most of you is, why don't you just use the pneumatic assist? The simple answer is, I don't currently have an air compressor. I sold it to a friend of mine who was going to pay me for it, but that was a while ago. And he still hasn't paid me. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be here working away, bending some tubing. Let me know your thoughts if you have any questions. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.